Hi, I'm Debs. I'm here to introduce you to your new course, that's the Level 1 Graphic Design, and help you navigate the portal. So I'm just going to share my screen with you right now. So here's our website. This is where you would have registered for the course. So I am going to go to the button labelled Your Profile. Now you can go to My Courses. You'll be able to see which courses that at a glance where you're enrolled into. But if you go to Your Profile, that's where you'll be able to see the breakdown of all the courses that you're enrolled into as well. So I'm enrolled into many different courses, but I'm going to be showing you the Level 1 award in graphic design. So the courses that you're enrolled into will appear down here. You can click resume button when you're in the middle of the course. That might be a useful quick button to get to exactly where you left off from last being enrolled. But I would suggest every so often going through your courses, and I will tell you why. So if you click on to your course, the very first page, yes, is an introduction message to you, but it also contains your notice board as well. And this is quite an important feature. We all know those pesky emails sometimes find their way to your others folders or spam folders. And so this is a great way for us to keep in touch. If there's any important diary dates or information, we pop it onto the notice board and periodically update it with any information we think that it might be useful to have handy to you. If you scroll down, you've got your course content and a breakdown currently of Module 1. As you progress through the course, below here you'll have your modules 1 to 10. The very first thing, and I'm sure you've found this already because you're watching this video, you'll have clicked Introduction. Here you'll have accessed your introduction video, which is the one that you're watching, and you can see some other elements that you're going to be working through first of all. A few bit of admin information. So first of all is the terms and conditions, which you'll be able to complete and then submit. If you'd like a copy just for your own records, you can download the T's and C's there as well. You'll notice that on the left-hand side is your menu bar. This is your filing system, so you can access and navigate the course in an easier way. But if you want to remove that bar, you can just click that button so you've got a larger screen. Other things to do with your introduction will be an equipment list. For our graphic design course, it is quite minimal. And some information about how you're going to be creating your own portfolio, how you're going to be collecting the work that you produce at home so that you're able to submit it to us for feedback and obviously for an accredited qualification so that we are able to certify your course with NCFE. So there's information here about how to put your portfolio together, what we're expecting, i.e. just one document submitted at the end of each module, and also some information about how to access Canva for education if you've not done that already. Very easy, you just need to pop us an email and we'll be able to send you a link to be able to access that for you. And then here we like to give examples where we have them. We've got a few examples of pages for the Module 1 course. So let's get going with the modules. Our first module, Module 1. The first element that you'll be able to see is an overview of the module. So if, like me, I would quite like to download the whole module in one go, and I'd probably print it out myself, but that's just because I like paper. So here you've got the whole of the Module 1, all in one go. You're able to download it as a PDF straight to your computer. Within your modules, you'll have tutorials linked to YouTube, and these are all linked clickable links so that you're able to go straight to YouTube and watch that tutorial. However, there's another way of accessing the videos, which I'll show you in a second. Below here, we give a checklist for each module. It's just a handy, simplified version of what you're going to be completing through the course. We have our learners that like to have a bit of a one-stop shop covering. On here, it's just one side. It'll only be a maximum of 2 sides, but a simplified version of what you would be doing. You can again download these as a PDF. I would suggest printing those out, and then you can just tick them as you go, as you work your way through the lessons. Now, this first section here, module 1, that is really all you need to be able to access the course. You've got the whole of the module here that you can download or view on the computer. However, we have broken them down into lessons. So if you wish to just access a step-by-step and wish to just view the one lesson at a time to help with overwhelm, that's completely fine. And you'll be able to see just that one lesson associated, or just the pages associated with that one lesson. Below that, you'll have the tutorials that you can just click to access some lovely freeze frames there. And you'll be able to go straight to YouTube to watch the tutorials. But as I said, you have links within the guidebooks as well that will take you straight there. So it's just different ways of accessing the course, and you'll find a method that works for you, hopefully. And it's just giving you options of being able to access and take what you need to be able to complete the course. The other thing that's going to be quite important for you is uploading your work. So if you go right to the end of the module, that's lesson 6, it's labeled lesson 6 and assignment upload. Here is where you're going to be uploading your assignment for assessment. So if we scroll down, we've got our guidebook, you've got your tutorials, and at the bottom here, there's a box highlighted named assessments. And this is where you are going to add your assessments. So how do we do that? Hopefully you'll have got your work completed on Canva. Your Canva tutorials will show you how to save your work and how to download your work from Canva directly to your computer as a PDF file. How to upload that as an assignment, you will just go to Browse. You will be able to click on your work from your computer, double click it. You can see it's highlighted, the name here, and then you just click Upload. Okay, so it's uploaded. It took a moment or two because I think it was quite a large file. And you can see there's a big green box here saying your assignment was successfully uploaded. There's also another amber warning. You have an assignment waiting approval. This means that your assignment has been sent to me. It is now in my marking to-do list, and I aim to provide you with feedback within 7 days of you uploading your assignment. So it'll be here in a holding format with this waiting review button here and this warning amber highlighted above. Now, if you're one of these people that wants to get straight on to completing your next assignment and your next module, what you will need to do is just pop me an email or write a support ticket through the assessor chat feature. Again, I'll show you that in a moment. And just ask me to approve your work with feedback pending. And that will mean that you'll be able to move on to your next module as long as that module is ready to go. Now, I will show you what it looks like once it has been approved, so just bear with me. So what I have just done now is approve that assignment that was submitted. So what happens now is that next time you were to go onto your lesson 6, you'll be able to see that that waiting approval button is now green and has got a tick and it says approved. Also, you'll be able to notice this comment box here. Mine says 0 comments. So again, if I just leave a comment for my feedback to myself, here it is. And so you can see there's a 1 by the comment. You can click on it. And here you'll be able to read your feedback. Now, a really important thing to note is that you're very welcome to leave a comment back, but please bear in mind, I don't receive notifications on comments left on your assignments. So the only way of me seeing that is that if next time I'm on your portal area, I'll be able to see that there's another comment and I'll be able to read it, but I won't know that you've left me a message. So what I'd suggest is that if you ever need to get in contact with me, you'll use the Assessor chat feature. However, if you don't mind and you're just wanting to leave a comment for the next time I happen to be on your profile looking at your work, then feel free to leave a message here. Just know if it's of any kind of urgency or you're really wanting a reply back, please use the support ticket feature. So hopefully that clears up how you're going to be uploading your assignments and hopefully how easy it is to upload an assignment and where to find your feedback. I'm just going to show you the Assessor chat feature now. So if you just bear with me. Right, so I'm in my test learner profile so that I'm able to show you this feature. Have a look at the top bar. You've got your profile where you've just been to find your course. And you can see there's a couple of other buttons here as well. We've also got a new button called My Payments. If you're wanting any invoice downloads from any payments, you're able to do that. Just select the method of payment that you use, whether that's Stripe or PayPal. And the support ticket is the last thing I'm going to show you, and that is our Assessor chat feature. As I said, it works just like a support ticket does. All you need to do is open a new chat. You can give it a heading, a bit like an email. Oh. More information, the better. You're able to upload an image. So if there's something on your computer screen that you would like to share with me, you can take a screenshot. Or if you're wanting to upload your work, please can you check task 2 is okay. You could upload your work as a PDF, for example, as well, and then just create a new chat. This will come to me. I will get a notification to say that you've left me a message, and I do aim to reply within 24 hours of leaving a message on your Assessor chat. You will get email notifications when I reply to these as well, so that's quite handy. And your replies will be here. If you just bear with me, I'm just going to reply to this so you can have a look at what that looks like. Okay, so I have just replied to myself, and this is what it will look like on your screen. And you can respond to that if you wish. Hopefully that's been helpful for you. If you have any other questions or need to ask more support, please do message me via email or use the assessor chat to get in touch. I hope you enjoy the course.